Good evening, friends and traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm coming up with another strategy to say for the precise entry to helping you people for an easy trade. So, yes, I'm using two indicators. I've combined them for an precise entry and easy entry. One indicator is three-step future trend together with my favorite TWAP, that is time-wise weighted average price. It is a game changer, traders. It is a game changer. Predicting the market's future is every trader's dream. What if I told you there is a way to combine the forward-looking power of the three-step future trend indicator with the precision of TWAP? Let us explore a winning strategy that could change the way you trade. Yes, it will change your life, entire trading life, trending career, I'll bet you. So you go to all my videos. I've made an effort to make your trade simple and easy by using so many indicators to help you people to trade better. I do not know. You people have to comment in the video section how your trade is going on, whether it has changed a lot or not. So with this indicator, we get confirmation and clarity. That is very, very important. If you don't get confirmation and if you do not have clarity, everything will be a mess. The three-step future trend indicator uses price averages and delta volume over 3 periods to forecast the market's direction. 3 periods means almost 3 days of data. It is taking almost 3 days of data, price average data as well as the volume data, and it gives you delta volume and it gives you projected trend line, making it easier to spot future moves. You will come to know where the market is going to move. If it is moving down, and this indicator will tell you what is the future price where it can go before it is happening itself. On the other hand, TWAP shows whether the closing of price is above weighted average price or below average price to get precise entry, which boosts confidence. When you are entering precisely, your confidence will be boosted. Even if price whipsaws, your mind will not waver. You will not have any fear, no adrenaline rush. You will be trading fearless. Yes, friends, you will be trading fearless. That is most important to keep your psychology in cool mind. So let us see what is delta volume. Delta volume refers to the difference between the buying and selling volume in a given time period. That is the meaning of delta volume. It helps to identify whether buyers or sellers are dominating the market during that time. It is a crucial concept in understanding market dynamics, especially for identifying trends and reversal. That is very, very important because for the market to function, volume is very, very important. What sort of volume is trading with? Sometimes you will be trading with market will go up and that will be a fake volume. No, real buyers will be there in the market. So that's how this delta volume will tell you what is the real picture of the price action. So how delta volume works? So total volume consists of buying volume as well as selling volume. Definitely. If if you see volume bars, there will be inside the, whether it is a green projected histogram or red color one, both the things will have buy and selling volume. Only if the buying and selling volume is there, the price will interact. So total volume consists of buying volume and selling volume caused by market orders to sell. Delta volume calculates the difference, real volume. That is, what is the volume, real volume, whether the buy volume is dominating or the sell volume is dominating. So delta volume is equal to buying volume minus selling volume. That is the difference between the buy and sell volume. Suppose interpretation. How do you interpret this? Suppose if you get the positive delta volume, when buying volume exceeds the selling volume, it suggests that buyers are more aggressive and pushing the price higher. If it is negative delta volume, when selling volume exceeds buying volume, it indicates that sellers are dominating and driving the price lower. So, this introduction to this indicator, the three-step future step indicator provides forward-looking trend projection, while TWAP helps confirm whether the projected trend aligns with entry timing. That is most important. Your entry timing should be proper. By combining both, you can filter out false signals and trade with more conviction. Why delta volume is important is it confirms market trends, helps confirm whether a price movement is supported by strong buying or selling pressure, identify reversals also. Sudden shifts in delta volume, for example, from strongly positive to negative, can signal potential market reversals. Detects exhaustion. If the delta volume weakens during a price trend, it could indicate exhaustion and possible pullback. Okay? How to use the delta volume in trading? With price action, look for divergence. For example, if the price is rising but the delta volume is declining, it may signal a weakening trend. With indicators, combine it with tools like TWAP to confirm trends and spot reversals. So we can make a step-by-step strategy by setting up the indicators. So we are going to add the three-step future indicator on your chart and add the TWAP with settings anchor period 15 minutes and time frame 3 minutes. Already I made video on TWAP settings. There are so many, even long-term TWAP setting as well as short-term period TWAP setting also I've shown. Even in that video, you can go and see. That also will help you to know when the price is not going to go up and reversal is going to come down. Okay. So let us go to the chart. Let me take you to sorry. 1 minute. I forgot. There is an important presentation. Okay. Let me go back. And these are the screenshots I've taken while closing of the market around 2:30. You can see 2:45 here, 2:45. Around 2:45, the delta volume was negative. And the total volume was 287.177. So you can see on yourself. Let me click next screenshot. See, the delta volume was decreasing, negative volume was decreasing. It was indicating reversal. See, this is the TWAP. I've used longer term period as well as the shorter term period. This is crossing shorter term period. TWAP is crossing above the longer term period. TWAP, you had seen in the previous slide how the delta volume was changing. See, again, in this screenshot, you are seeing it has come down to minus 8.352. You can see, consequently, price is moving higher. You can see from the level of 23,555, the market rallied to 23,630. Okay. In the next slide. Okay. In the next slide, this was the closing time. That was around 3:15 p.m. because everybody has to close. Then the delta volume huge, actually exceeding the buy volume. I was wondering what is happening. See the next picture. Next screenshot after 3:15, 3:20 p.m. You can see the delta volume immediately becoming positive. Can you see there? You can see there. And next 3.4 after, this is all after 3:20. When all the intraday traders close their position, they need to close their position. After this is happening. 3.439 million volume, delta volume. I think this is the end of the screenshot. And this indicator, three-step future indicator, I'm going to explain on the chart how it has been constructed and what it does. It has projected for tomorrow. The price projection is 23,709. It has projected, probably it may even go up to 23,720. Who knows? Market can gap up to this level tomorrow. So let us go to the chart. Let us see how to apply this. Here, I have applied TWAP as well as three-step future trend. Go to the indicator section, type in three-step future trend by Big Beluga. This is the indicator which I am using. This indicator, what it does is, it has made three boxes over here. You can see. It goes back to 3 periods. That means 3 days. You can see 3 days of data. It is collecting and it projects the green boxes for it is positive trend and the red box for when it starts selling off, negative projection it is giving, violet color, and it has plotted 75 to 50 and 50 to 25, 25 to 0. Tomorrow another reading will come. Another next, it will start from the another box will form and all these 3 boxes will go off. So here what it has done is, here it has shown negative volume yesterday itself. I don't have any screenshot, but you can see the price morning itself it started coming down. I'm on the 15 minutes chart. I'll zoom it out. let me hide this three-step indicator and show you how price could not go past any of this thing. And TWAP, see, all the closes are below the TWAP price. Let me change it to shorter period, 15 minutes. Since I am in 15 minutes, let me go to that shorter period so that you can see clearly. The price is closing. See, this is the close. Closing below. Closing below. Time-wise weighted average price. Closing below. Closing below. Closing below. Below. Only here it climbed. And correspondingly, I have taken the screenshot how short covering has come into the market. I have not taken this screenshot while it was coming down because it didn't strike me to take this screenshot. Only during the end of the market, it struck me, why not I take the screenshots so that you can understand better what is happening in the volume. Even I was astonished by all these delta volume readings. See how the market performs. We will not be. Actually, this is a delta volume delta. It's a paid feature, which is you need to pay for that in a TradingView or some other platform. You need to pay for that. You will get a volume order flow or anything. So this is a beautiful indicator, and it is giving price projection also. For example, let me type in the some stock, Jubilant Footwork. How it had given the price projection. It was here around 921 itself. It projected the price of 691 in Jubilant Food. It indicated that you can see the price projection has gone below 695, even though Jubilant Foodworks has closed around 694 and it is projecting 685, depending upon the delta volume. The sellers are dominating over here. Probably there may be a huge short covering when it comes to 685. We need to closely watch the delta volume and the TWAP. If you then you can get an entry in the morning itself or around 10 a.m. or anything. We need to see. Because tomorrow there is RBI policy is there. If there is any rate cut, there will be huge short covering in the market, Jubilant Footwork. Again, let me go back to CIPLA. You can see the CIPLA, the stock is projecting positive delta volume. You can see almost for the total volume, it is dominating. This delta volume is dominating. Buyer's volume is dominating, and the projected price is 1488. And even it has, with the help of the TWAP, if you would have located this stock in the opening bell itself, see, you can see the price has closed above the TWAP. Close above, close above, close above, close above. Price might have dipped below, but the close is above. That is very, very important. So that way, even though there was a negative volume, a short covering, and a box has been formed, and the price has moved higher. Can you see? It is the beauty. So you will not have any problem. Even here also, it is not going back to this period because already it has taken. Now it will erase everything and it will go further because it has been coded for 3 back periods. That is 3 days of data. That is enough. For a weekly template, 3 days of data is enough. Now we are tail end of the week, that is backside of the week, Friday. So Friday there may be, these are the stocks we can see positive up move. You can test yourself, you can note down and you can apply it in your chart today itself and see for yourself. You can test it. You can test it. It is projecting 1192 and the price is around 1166. That is 30 points. That means 3% of price projection it is showing. It may not be exact actually. You need to confirm with your price action and also trade. So it is giving you an idea that all the three periods, you can see all the three look back periods, it is positive. Adani Port, SES. And if you come to there is no hiccup there in Adani Ports. HDFC Life is also positive, positive delta. Dr. Reddy, it is also positive delta from the two periods. That is, trend is moving higher. BPCL, even from the three periods, look back period, you can easily catch the trend. You can hold your position without any hesitation. Actually, you could have held your position by keeping the stop loss, nearby stop loss. You could see the market in BPCL, it has gone up and it has come down. While closing, there was a short covering and delta volume is positive. So like this, there you can click on all the stocks, whichever the stocks you want, you can see for yourself. Infosys, it is projecting a negative line because it may turn into negative like that. It is projecting. It will change because market is dynamic. Anything can happen because volume can come in and go out. Axis Bank projection is 1032 and the price is 1020. That is around 1 to 1.5% it is projecting. You can see the delta volume is positive over here. So why delay? Go and apply on the chart and start studying. Do not trade immediately because when you are trading with a new indicator, you should not trade with your original money, original capital. You need to paper trade and get hold of this, and then only you have to start trading with that. You will be seeing amazing results with these two indicators. Try to apply, understand. I've made my good effort to bring in the clarity with the indicators, what the indicator is telling and how to apply. And even with the TWAP, you can precisely enter into the trade. For example, in Nifty, you could have entered precisely into a short trade in the morning itself. I'm zooming out. See, let me hide this three-step, without the three-step future indicator. Only TWAP is telling this. In my morning levels video, Nifty levels video, I had already measured any pop-up will be sold into. You should look for the levels 23,739 to 749 had mentioned there. See, immediately this huge candle is closing down. If you are in the 5 minutes time frame, you will do mistake because some green candle will come and you will think it is a reversal and you will tend to react for that. But actually, see, this was a continuation of the trend. This is the first 15-minute candle. The 15-minute candle, it is closing below the time-wise weighted average price. And the price is closing below the time-wise average price. You are not going to take positive trade if you see this. This is a range formation. The market went sideways. Even if though it went sideways, probably this delta volume might have indicated negative thing, and later market has turned positive while going down. Okay, friends. Thank you very much for listening to my video. I hope I am helpful to you. Oh, I am helpful to you all. Please kindly subscribe and support me. It makes me to bring in more videos like this to ease your trades. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.